What's going on, guys? Today we're finna go out. We finna walk Elsa, and we also gonna go to Track Supply. We're gonna take Elsa with us. We're gonna go to Track Supply because I've been noticing under Elsa's body, under her arms, it's been really red and irritated looking. So we're gonna get some allergy medicine, some oatmeal shampoo, some medicated shampoo, and some ointment to put on her after we give her a bath and bathe her and see how it go. But we finna take on a walk, me in London. This how it's finna go. And if you haven't did yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel, TSMM Kennels, and follow our TikTok at TSMM Kennels. Tell them, Lucci. Tell them, Lucci. Look. Tell them, look. All right. Good morning, fam. We out, TSMM squad. We got our boy Smoke. We got our girl Elsa. We taking this for a walk. Come on, man. All that extra shit, Smoke. Come on. You gotta get her. Yes. Hey, y'all, look. This is her first time really being on the walk. Yeah, this is her first time being on the walk. Well, no, it ain't. But with a leash, I guess. We got Smoke on Elsa out here. She made you mad. Look, Smoke with this extra shit too. See what's going on. Baby Elsa, big boy Smoke. Learn to tell them folks what to do to the channel, cause this whole video is going on there. I told y'all hear me, everything is raw and uncut. We not clipping nothing. But ever since, 2 weeks ago, I told you I'm gonna start posting long videos. I think I post 2 5-minute videos already, so everything I'm saying right now is staying on here. So, go with it, London. It's live. What's going on? See the gang? She starting to kiss on, or you just?
She just keep looking at me.
Smoke. See, now it ain't that cold. Like it was this morning. This the right circle to walk them around too, like 2 times a circle.
Yeah.
We got it right in front of our house, just walk them around. Good exercise, huh? Dogs up, see? Oh yeah, keep in mind, y'all, this litter is dropping too. She just a baby right now. Give her another 1.5 years, and this gonna be the dad right here, and this gonna be the mom right there. These puppies will be coming soon. These puppies coming soon. He's gonna be the dad, him, and she will be the mom. She's just a baby right now. Stay aware of this little now. See what's finna happen. Look at all this structure in him. Daddy gonna bring it out. She nice too. Her mom and daddy got some good pedigree. Daddy gonna bring it out though. When he get with her, them babies finna be so pretty. Y'all wait. Y'all let's see. Elsa, you doing good, girl. Elsa. Alright, now you wanna mess up. Get out them folks' grade. Yes, you doing good, girl. Smoke, chill out, man. No. She got a Yorkie too, don't it? That's a Yorkie, huh? She got 2 Yorkies. That white one, down that white one is Yorkies. Them Yorkies. Them Yorkies. For real. Which one of them a girl? Hey, my girl, she got a Yorkie, a toy joint with papers and everything on that joint. You be breeding your boy. You don't breed. Sorry. Yeah, stop at stuff. Get it from the tank real quick. You know what I'm saying? No, this how you want to trip.
Boy, you got some money outside, don't you?
You got some money outside. What's up, nigga? I'm gonna get these done.
Oh, pretty yeah. How long you had them, bro?
200. Brown junk.
Charcoal.
I had his mom and dad, but they died. I produced it. Well, I had this at about 3.
Damn, boy.
Right now. Alright, time to go. Y'all see what's going on. Ooh, listen to the dog. Oh, what that is? I don't know what we got.
Oh, God, that's ugly. That dog's ugly.
So we got dogs out through the neighborhood, man. This litter is on the way, man. We waiting on her to get a little older. In about another year and a half, we're gonna breed her to him. This is what we're gonna have coming up. Y'all stay aware now. I'm showing y'all before it happens what's gonna go down. Her and him. Yep. On our way back now. She wanna stay back there. Go some mama. She like walk on the other side of me. Oh, right there. She walking on the left side. You gonna walk on the left side. Car coming. Stay on the left side. Everybody y'all see the incoming traffic. We walk on the side. Got our girl Elsa. Got our boy Smoke. Gracie back there mad here. Yeah, we gonna walk in there. We made it back. Throw some more. She ready to take these collar off. Yeah, there's some mama in the store. Here, love. Right here. What's up? See you been in the store soon. I had it. Come on. What are you looking for? LHA.
Wasn't this it on the picture that we saw? What about this?
This is what we saw on the fish.
Yeah, I told you.
This is liquid though.
Shell for snakes and stuff. Yeah. Don't we need some shampoo? Ear infection, hot spots, ringworms, and wounds. Look. Look here.
I'm gonna go with the liquid. This ear infection, hot spots, and wounds.
Shampoo and conditioner and one.
That's why I need 2 shampoo.
That makes me shampoo. It's $15.99.
This is hot shampoo, huh?
Oh. It's open?
Pick up some more for $8, ain't it? This is like oatmeal. This is oatmeal shampoo. What is this? Oatmeal shampoo. Get this one. Oh, this what I need. I'm gonna get both of these, hit it with both of them.